Annual surveys. Annual surveys are carried out within 3 months before or after each anniversary date. Intermediate surveys. Intermediate surveys are to be carried out at the second or third annual survey of each 5-year period or between these surveys. Special or renewal surveys. The special survey becomes due 5 years in line with the expiry date of the certificate. A special survey may be commenced at the 4th annual survey and be continued with completion by the 5th anniversary date. Continuous surveys, hull and machinery. Continuous surveys may be undertaken, whereby the special survey requirements are carried out partially, about 20%, every year, and full requirement is completed within a 5-year period. Drydocking surveys. There is to be a minimum of 2 examinations of the outside of a vessel's bottom and related items during each 5-year period. The 2 such examinations shall not exceed 36 months. In water surveys, alternative examination while the vessel is afloat in lieu drydocking survey, subject to approved by the Flag/Classification Society. Tail shaft surveys. For surveys completed in every 5 years, not more than 3 months in advance of the survey due date. Survey period is extended under condition monitoring scheme approved by the class. Boiler surveys. The interval between surveys is not to exceed 2.5 years for the first 7.5 years. Thereafter, the boiler is to be surveyed annually. Thank you for watching.